German short rows. Knit to the turning point and turn. Make a double stitch. Slip the first stitch purlwise with yarn in front. Lift the working yarn over the right needle and pull tightly. The stitch from the previous row is pulled up onto the needle. Continue and purl to end of row. Next row. Work the double stitch as if it was one stitch. Knit through the double stitch in the middle and go through both loops. Make a short row on the wrong side like this. Purl to the turning point and turn. Make a double stitch. Slip the first stitch purlwise with yarn in front. Lift the yarn over the right needle and pull tight. The stitch from the previous row is pulled up. Continue and knit to end of row. Next row. Purl through both loops as if the double stitch was one stitch.